Introducing Hmong Creations, an exclusive collection of dolls and creations brought to you by H. H for Hmong inspired. H for heartwarming. For harmony. Happiness. Each of our dolls is so special and unique. We bring you cuteness and hope. We bring fairy tales and folk tales to life. We create heirlooms for future generations to keep. But most importantly, we bring you heritage. Heritage to our culture, to our clothes, to our embroideries. Our dolls can be played with, or they can be displayed. We can tailor and custom make each and every one of our dolls to your taste. And, well, we also make cute babies. Our dolls are so fashionable. We pride ourselves with passion so that we can bring you more than just a doll. We create fun, laughters, joy for just everyone and anyone of all ages. Each one of our dolls is carefully handcrafted, handmade. We select the finest of embroideries from vintage and antique, authentic embroideries, and when passion meets creativity, well, you guessed it, uniqueness is born. Our dolls can wear traditional clothes and sometimes even wear more modernized, sassier, and, well, they can be very chic. They are so cute and lovely, you can definitely collect them all. Meet your designers. Amy Yang, who loves and embraces her heritage. Manila Zhang, who makes each day her masterpiece. Like us and follow us on Facebook,